We will engineer our cars with the same focus on key features that our customers love, with German precision, quality and reliability. We will make sure that the latest and most relevant innovations are accessible to everyone.
Automotive engineering has many facets. Our R&D center in Rüsselsheim is a fully fledged vehicle engineering center. We will make sure that the needs of our customers are considered and appropriate solutions are developed from the earliest stage of the development cycle of every new Opel and Vauxhall model.
Modern vehicles are complex systems. They interact with cloud applications, smartphones, and soon with other vehicles as well. Test automation drastically cuts development time while boosting efficiency. We focus on the next level of test automation and simulation in order to address the increasing complexity of the innovations ahead.
We are constantly focusing on what's next. Imagine headlamp beams that are controlled by the driver's eyes. In our Rüsselsheim R&D center, we are developing the technology for the day after tomorrow.
All-time zero emissions, long driving range, and most prominently, only 3 minutes refueling time. Hydrogen will play a major role in the future energy system in terms of storing renewables like wind and solar. We have more than 20 years of experience in all areas of hydrogen and fuel cell technology. This is why we are the center of competence for fuel cells at Group PSA. It's exciting to work on hydrogen fuel cell vehicles at Group PSA, because this is the technology of the future. And the future
is everyone's.